Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today I'm going to be showing you a brand new method how you can actually make over $30,000 per month in passive income. I'm going to be showing you a person who's already doing it, and if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you a bonus page with which you can make even more money without extra work. So guys, I'm super excited to do this video, hope you are as well. If you are new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing, and at the end of the video, if you will like it and you will get some value from it, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information to as many people as we possibly can. Guys, before we get into the whole topic of today's video, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, I have a free video in which I explain it in great detail. So if you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I'm going to be seeing you inside of it. Having said that, guys, let's dive into our today's topic. So as you can see, I'm on my laptop in front of YouTube, and so yes, for this method we are going to be using YouTube. But before you freak out, before you leave this video and go to watch something else, don't freak out, alright? Just chill, don't worry about this. You are not going to be showing your face, nor even creating any of your own videos. That's right. Because for this we are going to be actually just uploading some random sounds. All right, so let's have a look what we have in store. So the channel that I was talking about that is doing this is called Gaming Sound. All right, these guys have or are uploading, sound effects, royalty-free sound effects, and as you can see, this person is uploading literally 2, 5, 7 3-second videos. All right, so-called videos. And he's getting tons and tons of views on these. As you can see, these are extremely popular videos or sound effects, all right? And as you can see, the video is super simple. It's just the sound effect with an image of the sound. That's it. As you can see, the last time this person uploaded a video like this is seven months ago. So literally half a year doing nothing and getting a whole bunch of money from the ads revenue on YouTube. All right, now guys, let's have a look at how really popular these videos are. As you can see, these videos are not only getting hundreds of thousands of views, they are getting millions of views. All right, this one is 15 million views, 12 million views, 9 million views, and so on and so forth. So you can imagine how popular these are, all right, and how much money you can actually make from it. But to be actually precise, because the title states something something very special, so let's have a look, so don't be skeptical. Here you can see on the socialblade.com platform, you can check it for yourself, Gaming Sound Effects. All right, and as you can see, the estimated monthly earnings is somewhere over here. So usually most of the time the actual monthly earnings are in between of these two numbers. All right, so that's roughly somewhere more than $30,000 per month. All right, and as we were showing, the last time this person uploaded a video like this was 7 months ago. So literally half a year on $30,000 per month in passive income. That's astonishing. All right, that's amazing. So let's have a look at how we can recreate this, right? Shall we? So for this, we need obviously the sounds and the photos. All right, so for the sound, we are going to we can use two platforms. All right, the first one is called Soundbible. Soundbible.com is a platform where you can download free sound effects, royalty-free sound effects, and the only thing that you need to do is literally type somewhere into the search box. I use an example for water, all right, water sounds. And as you can see, here are the results. You can see there are different videos or different sound effects, with different lengths. But generally speaking, we want to keep it in between somewhere like 5 to 10 seconds, not more, because our audience is most of the time content creators, and they like these short forms because they can use it and they can edit it in literally like easier than something which is long, right? So just choose one. All right, I choose this one, for example, and the downloadable options are both in MP3 and WAV, so whichever one suits you better. Now, the second platform where you can get the sounds is called Freesoundorg. All right, again, very similar to the previous one. You just need to create your free account, and then you want to search somewhere into the search box. Again, I use the water example, and as you can see, here is a whole bunch of results. All right, so just choose one, and then you're going to be seeing this download button over here. So you want to download that. Now we have our sound. Let's have a look at the picture, right? And for picture, we are going to be using none other than the best platform for pictures, which is Google, right? So you just want to type sound into Google and click on images. Now, before you download any of these images, right, we want to click on tools and click on usage rights, Creative Commons licenses. All right, now this is very similar to royalty-free music or royalty-free licenses, which means that you can use it in any way you ever want. All right, and these photos, they don't have copyright licenses, right, which means you can use it as in whatever way you want. You can make money from this and nobody's going to sue you, anything like this. So you don't have to worry about demonetization of your YouTube channel or anything like this. Both this applies to both platforms for the sound effects, Sound Bible and the Freesoundorg, right? All of these platforms have royalty-free music, which means your channel is going to be monetized. All right, so now we have our Creative Commons licenses in the sound. So again, just download whichever photo you like. All right, and let's move on. So now we have our sound, we have our picture. Let's create the video, right? For that, we're going to be using a platform called Klidio.com. All right, Klidio.com is an online video maker. Very simple and super easy to use. All right, so you want to create, you want to click on the video maker, and then you're going to be prompted to upload the files. Just choose files and upload them, and then the video editor is going to be opened. So you want to make sure your frame size is 16 to 9. All right, that's the YouTube. All right, you can play with the zoom and crop or just fit with border. Make sure the image duration is as audio, and then just upload your audio, right? Your sound that you downloaded. When you are happy with it, just click on export, and that's pretty much it. We have our video, as you can see, super simple to do, very easy. All right, now we're going to be uploading the video onto YouTube, and now I'm going to be showing you the bonus page, which I mentioned in the beginning. But before that, let me just explain to you how we are going to be making money before you are monetized from YouTube. So as you probably understand, these videos, as I mentioned before, are very popular among content creators. All right, these are going to be your main or your targeted audience, and therefore these people want to actually use these sounds. All right, they want to download them, and for that we are going to be uploading these files onto a platform, a free platform where they can download it for free, and you're going to be paid for that. So for this, we are going to be using a platform called fileupload.com. All right, this platform is literally free to upload and download, both of these. All right, and literally, if somebody is going to be downloading your file, all right, you are going to be paid from ads revenue. All right, the person who's downloading before they can download it, they are going to be seeing a whole bunch of ads. All right, and the ad revenue is going to be divided between you and this platform file upload. All right, so we want to upload our files onto this platform. All right, and then we are going to be using the YouTube channel, all right, the YouTube video, and in the description below we are going to be leaving the link to the file onto file upload. All right, so which means that, you know, guys, if you want to download this video and use it, you can just download it from this platform. Here is the link. All right, and that's pretty much it, and you're going to be making twice the money from it. All right, and as you can see, you can get loads and loads of views on these videos, and therefore loads and loads of clicks onto your onto your file and loads of downloads. So you're going to be making loads and loads of money from this. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it, hope you get some tremendous value from it. If so, let me know in the comment section below, give me thumbs up. And guys, this is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you get really some aha moments. This is something really amazing. Alright guys, if so, again, give me thumbs up. And guys, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing, again, there is a free video in the description below. So if you are interested in that, just click on it and you will get full access to it. I'm going to be seeing you inside of it. Therefore, hope you are going to be enjoying it and have a great rest of the day. See you guys.